Hey guys, how's it going? So I just gotta say, I love option trading. I love option trading so much. I think I'm pretty good at option tradings now. Well, not pretty good, but I know how to play options, and my gut feeling tells me that options is gonna take me to millions of dollars. I say in the next 2 or 3 years, I could have more than $10 million through options and through stock market trading. I don't think YouTube and freaking my stock market membership is going to contribute anything to my success of making $10 million. So far, my YouTube and my stock market membership probably gave me about $15,000 in the course of 2 or 3 months. Not gonna contribute very much. If I was getting 40,000 or 50,000 like Graham, Stefan, or Jeremy from the Financial Educational Channel, if I was getting that amount, I would be like super rich. Like the government is gonna be like probably auditing me or stuff because they're like, how the fuck do you make so much money in such a short time? But I'm not. I have to do this from the grind. I have to get good at options, and since we're having a market crash, well, I believe we're having a market crash. Some people say, oh, we're not having a market crash. But, I believe we are having a market crash, and I'm just making a ton of money off options. And then when that market actually crash and it reverses itself, I'm going to make so much money on the upside too. So I believe that I'm going to make so much money on options this year and next year. And then if Aurora drops to that $4 range, I will make a big purchase. And I believe that because I play speculative stocks, stock market's crashing, and the fact that I'm in cash, I believe that in 2 or 3 years from now, I will have $10 million of cash in cash. That's what I believe. You guys will be the witness of it because I will be making YouTube channels. I'll be making YouTube videos and showing you guys all my success, my failures. You saw my failures. You saw my success. So, this is a video about my options. But before I do that, I just kind of want to say that I'm kind of craving Subway for some reason. I always order the same sub. I order the 6-inch, the 12-inch flatbread salami sub from Subway. It only costs $6 for a 12-inch sub, and I usually put in bunch of vegetables, a lot of vegetables, and then I use the sauce of light mayo and sweet onion, and then I add some pepper to it, and I've been eating that for the longest time ever, probably for 2 years. I've never swapped out my sandwich. Sometimes I go for chicken or steak when I got a coupon, but I usually order like a $6 sub because it's cheap, so I just order it. And it tastes good too. And Subway is healthy because there's a lot of vegetables on it. So, no, Facebook. Yeah, Facebook, today, it climbed. And I'm like, okay, climbing on a down day. And then I quickly added another put option on it. And now I'm up 74%. Because I was like, yeah, okay, Facebook climbing, that's a good one. So I just put a put option on it because I knew it's gonna decline back. And then I sold off my Canopy today because the stock was running up. I mean, like Aurora was running up, Afria was running up, and I was like, you know what? I'm just going to sell my put options on Canopy. I think I made about 60 or 70% profit. I'm not 100% sure on this, but I made okay money. Facebook, I made a lot of money off Facebook so far. I've already made over 10,000, like 4, 6, 7, 8,000 Canadian dollars already from Facebook, and I believe I'm gonna keep making more. So I look forward to the coming days. Amazon. So I decided to fuck it. I'm gonna do put options on the complete Fang stock. So when it I think I bought it here. I could have bought it here, but I think I bought it around here when it was still kind of negative. So so I didn't really make any money off Amazon. I'm still a little bit down, like 1.35%. Actually, I don't know when I bought Amazon. I don't know, whatever, who cares. Netflix. Netflix. I decided to short Netflix because it's part of the FANG. Not short, put option on Netflix is, where's Netflix? Right here. I'm up 70% on Netflix already. That's awesome. Like, I'm just making so much money off put options. So much money. I mean, like, I just, like, I see my future, and my future is gonna be bright. It's gonna be full of money raining down on me. That's how I see my future, because I discover options and I love options. Maybe I'll go poor from options. Maybe I'm just getting lucky right now, and because the market is falling and I'm just kind of tunnel visioning into put options. I don't know. I still think the market's crashing. I could lose out on some money on put options, but that's okay. You can lose money on options, but you can make so much more money in return. Like, one win will make up for like 5 losses. Like, seriously. So option trading is big time money. Just don't get greedy on it. I love option trading. I put a put option on Apple today too. Let's see. Apple, I'm up 23%. I was just like, you know what? I'm just gonna put a put option on it. I just don't care, because I believe that's gonna decline down further. I have a strike price on it of 144, and right now it's 146. So I don't know. I can't remember when I put the put option on. I think it was around 149. That's when I put a put option. If I put it around here, that would have been a really good put option. But yeah, I'm still up, so it's all good. Google, I also put a put option on Google. Where the Google ended after hours. No, so it's neutral. So Google, part of the FANG stocks. Google, I'm up 5%, but 5% is still better than no percent, right? So, whatever. I think Google is gonna fall with the market. Tesla. Oh man, Tesla is my milk money. I just making way more money doing put options on Tesla than I could ever buy with buying the stock. I've already made $3,924 on Tesla put options. That's so much money. And I can't wait to do a long-term call option on Tesla, because when it hits that certain price and I feel that it's a value bargain, I'm going to totally put a call option on Tesla. So that's the reason why I'm not selling my Aurora stock, because I'm making so much money on options and I don't want to pay the government too much money when tax time comes. So that's why I'm being really careful about doing option tradings. Selling my Aurora stock. So I'm gonna sit there and take the punishment for my Aurora stock. Intel. Intel is, treating me pretty well too, but let's see what Intel is here. Intel, I'm down on Intel. How am I down on Intel? What the fuck? I have a strike price on Intel of, let's see, hold on, $35. Intel is $43. Maybe that's why. I have no idea. Whatever. I thought I like put a put option on it like when it was like $47. Now it's like $43 and I'm lost. Kind of don't understand what's going on, but whatever. Nvidia, I don't have a put option on Nvidia, but just look at that decline. It tried to rally in the morning. It tried to rally in the morning after a big dip, and then it just dipped back, and now it's like back down. NBEV, I pulled all my money out of NBEV because I was like, the market is declining. why am I holding NBEV stock? What's the point of holding NBEV stock? I don't think it's going to go up in a down market. I think it's going to either stabilize or go down. So I went to the side that I think it's going to go down. I think it's going to go down to $4, possibly the low $3. If it goes to $4, I'm definitely going to be buying some. If it goes down to the low $3, I would make a massive purchase at $3. So I'm hoping this stock goes down. This stock's treated me very, very well. I made so much money off NBEV. I think I made like $50,000 on NBEV. $50,000 on NBEV. That's how much money I made on NBEV. Afria, I put a put option on Afria today because Afria went up so much that I was like, where's Afria? Microsoft, Tesla, Afria. So I'm neutral on Afria, but you know, I was like, oh, stock went up a lot. Only an opportunity to do a put option, because what comes up goes down. I mean, in theory, I mean, the insiders could have way more money than I expected, and they can push this stock to like $8 or $9. But if it goes up to $8, I'll just put down a put option on it. Like, if the market is still declining and after it goes up to $8, I'm just gonna put a put option on it. I think it'll be opportunity. But I don't really like putting put options on cannabis stocks because cannabis don't pay off that well. Safe companies like Facebook, Amazon, Netflix, Google, Tesla, Intel, Nvidia, those are the type of companies that will pay out a lot on option calling. So yeah, I guess that's all I really have to that's all I really wanted to talk about. You know, Aurora, like I think I put my put option on Aurora when it was like above $7, and you know, like just because the time it decayed, my Aurora put option is hold on, where's my Aurora put options? Right here. It's down 63%, and I put my put option around $7 and the time decayed. It's retarded. I honestly do not like cannabis stock put options. They are retarded. I might lose on that play, but I really don't care because you know the market is holding up well. I mean, oh, I lost $400. Oh, big deal. Boo-hoo me. Kron is down. And the weed market is up. That's not a good sign. Kron should be the leader. Kron should be rallying the market. Why? Because they have their deal with you know, Altera. I don't know why I have Canopy up here, but I do. You know, Canopy still rallied on very, very weak volume. Aurora's volume was way better today. It was 10 million. That just shows you that there's a lot of Aurora fans out there. There's a lot of people who just buy the stock if it dips, and you know, they just, I don't know. It's just like, I try to, you know, I'm just telling everyone to be really careful about buying stocks at all right now because it's the market is crashing, and you know, it's not a good time to be buying. There's discounts everywhere. Like NEO is down at all-time lows. I think NEO was the lowest it went was 590, and today it was like, let's see, hold on. It went to 589 today, and it closed at 592. So I mean, it could break the floor, and you know, like NEO, like a lot of people talk about so highly about NEO. I mean, NEO looks like it's on sale to me. S&P 500, just, you know, big decline today, 2.71%. That was probably the most biggest decline I've seen in December so far. It's gone down so much, it's ridiculous. It just, to me, it just looks like it's gonna crash. I mean, it might bounce. We might bounce, but even if we bounce, I think it'll be like a couple, like, I don't know. I don't think it'll be very much. Maybe like a 1 or 2%. and then we'll just head back down, declining further. I mean, unless there was some kind of news that changes this segment around, like, I don't know, Donald Trump comes out and says, oh, we are, I changed my mind. We're no longer doing tariff wars with China, and then the stock market might just push back up to 2,800 and no longer a market crash. I mean, it's possible, but I kind of highly doubt it. We'll see what happens though, but I believe that we're in a market crash. People can argue with me saying we're not. Right now, I don't care because I'm, making I have lots of cash and I'm making so much money off put options. It's like my protective shield with when the market crash. My put options is teaching me how to swim in blood water. So, yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this content. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.